Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got something a little different. This here in front of me is the Lindberg Setting the Pace catalog from 1994, and it's got all little addresses on things that are going on, representatives and distributors. That's kind of cool. And this is their 94 catalog of kits that were available. So I thought I'd take you along for a little glimpse into the past. These are some of the things that were going on. I guess Jurassic Park, the movie, was big in 94 apparently. Some of the kits that were available. Maybe I'll put some music on in the background here because I really don't have much to say. I'm looking at it just the same as you guys are. I hope the glare isn't too bad on here. Here's a 120 scale 94 Ford Explorer. I don't know that I've ever seen that kit. There it is there. That's kit number 72511. Kind of interesting. 120 scale seems kind of out of the ordinary, doesn't it? Big old Sonoma here. Wow. 94 Camaro, police car, looks like. Well, apparently Lindberg was big on the 120 scale stuff. I didn't even know that. Alright. Here's more of my speed here, the 125 scale stuff. Got that kit, did an unboxing on that in the past. 94 pickup, 1934 Ford pickup. Let's see. There's some street machines, they called them. Oh, 72 Challenger, that's pretty cool. I don't know that I've ever seen that kit. 70 Corvette, 71 Mustang. Another 34 Ford pickup. That's it. Huh. Now we got 132 scale. Little Porsche there, and Corvette. Great Moments in History series. Battle of the Ironclads. I'm sorry, I have no idea what that is. Apparently it happened March 9th, 1862. Monitor and Merrimack. Apparently that was a Civil War naval battle of famous ironclads. I'll go ahead and focus on that a little bit. You guys can read it if you'd like. They had a model of the attack of Pearl Harbor. Interesting. Surrender at Tokyo Bay. The anatomical kits. Alright. These were really popular back in the 70s. And they're still making them in 94 apparently. Look at there, you get yourself a nice life-size skeletal foot. Yeah. Wow. Four kits in every package. Okay. This is 148 scale. Golden Age Biplanes Series 2. That's kind of neat. All of those are pretty cool looking. I've never built a kit like that. I don't know that. In fact, I don't know anyone that I know personally that's built one. Here's some biplanes. World War II fighters. Early jets. Huh. Wow. More jet fighters. Some helicopters. Those would be interesting. This is 1/100th scale. Holy cow. And then 1/72 scale on the lower ones. That's interesting. Battle Damaged Jet Aircraft Series. Wow, look at that, guys. I didn't even know that was an option. That's pretty cool. This is page 24. Space shuttle stuff. Trophy winners. Okay. Motorized military ships. Interesting. Famous fighting ships. Wow. Large sailing ships. Jolly Roger, Captain Kidd. Wow. This one here is a Gouda. Isn't that a cheese? I didn't know that was a ship. Here we go. Classic sailing ships. I want to say something about that one, but I better not. Flying Cloud. Very nice. Americana. A lot of ships. I didn't realize Lindberg was that heavy into ships. Pretty cool. I wonder if anyone's reproducing these now, or if round 2 is doing it. I don't even know. That's cool. A little power unit. Motors for, I'm assuming, the ships above it. Pretty neat. Large scale boats. PT-109. That's John F. Kennedy's boat. Blue Devil Destroyer. I don't know what that one is. That's pretty cool looking. 1 in 125 scale. Wow. 36 inches long. So this thing is 3 feet long. That's huge. Huge. Well, that's it, folks. I appreciate you stopping by if you held out to the end here. And I've got a few more that I'm going to be putting out every now and again of the other companies, Revell, AMT, and Monogram I have. So look for those coming up in the future. And as always, I really appreciate you stopping by. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps out the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.